this is Beata Khoo from My Sweet Passion Cakes in Brighton. As you know, I teach a lot of Isomalt, and today I just wanted to show you a little trick. You know, I'm full of tricks here, to be honest. And like, I have this fish, you know, I teach that fish on the class, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's not shiny anymore. It's very dull. Actually, I believe this one is from June last year. And I left it in the room because I didn't have a cabinet, not enough cabinets for all this. So I forgot all about it, to be honest, and looked at it and I thought, oh gosh, it's gone really dull. Can you see it? So I'm just going to show you close up how dull it is. It's just lost the shyness. Can you see it? All that. So I thought quickly show you how you can just bring it into life. It's so simple. So a quick one. Have a look at that. So what I need to do to make that fish come to life, what I need to do, the equipment is the little fan, hairdryer, the best tool in the world. I use it every day and I know you do too. Blow touch, and obviously silicone mat, your gloves, make sure you're safe, okay? So bear in mind the fish has been cold in a, left cold in the environment. So when you touch it, it is very cold. So we need to, before we start heating with low touch, we need to warm up so the temperature is a lot more similar to the room, and it doesn't get, you can imagine if you heat something very cold with hot, it can just go like a glass and break it. So this is the secret. Use your hairdryer, okay? Basically, give a few minutes to warm up. You can do a little bit longer. I don't need it so much because I have been doing it just before anyway. So it's not warm, but it's bearable. Anyway, so get my blow touch. And very gently, you start doing it first, very gently. And if you can notice, I'm not doing it in one place too long. Can you see it? Need to, it's very small flame, so I need to maybe, can you see, it will just come back to life, but not overdoing it. So can you see the difference here? Automatically is a lot more shiny. Okay, so I'm going to do the other side, and you just watch that side here. I'm just doing it slowly, not too over. Hopefully you can see on camera. I hope you can. But it's cracking. If you've seen a little crack, it's because I'm putting too much hot temperature. So again, warm up with hairdryer, take your time, and by just doing it gently, like that, it will revive, it will come back to life. So, I'll see you in a few minutes. I'll see you when I've done my fish, and you can see the big difference, okay? You can do this one, but I'm doing very fast, like speed. You do very fast later, so it looks kind of good. Okay, after just preparation, it didn't really take me more than 10 minutes. But take your time, obviously, with hairdryer, making sure it's warm. You can see it looks like I've just made it. So it's back to life, looking gorgeous. You can see it clear through. Look at that one, if you can see that, it's very clear. It looks fabulous. So my little fish, after about, what, seven months sitting in a room without the cover, without all the things I always talk about, how to protect it, you can see she's absolutely gorgeous.